everyone, it's Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to force restart your iPhone. So if you look on the left side here, you're going to see the volume up, volume down, and then the power button on the right side. If you press these buttons in order quickly, it's going to force restart your iPhone. So let's press volume up, volume down, and then hold down the power button. It's going to bring you to the screen where you can see slide to power off. Just continue to hold down the power button and your phone will shut off. Now, if you want to keep it turned off, when it goes black, hold down the power button and the volume up button right here, and then you won't see the iPhone symbol and it won't restart and power back on. So you're going to see the iPhone symbol now, and then your phone should work like normal. Just unlock it and you should be good to go. So if your screen froze or something like that, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.